So I am back, and this is going to be a video on this hair from RPG Show. So I'm just going to tell you the specs on it, and then I will show you the box and everything that came inside of it. So this one is the LP Styles 005. The order number is CC54. The texture of this hair is silky. This is a 16-inch. The hair color is a natural color. The cap size is 1, which is 21.5 to 22 inches. The cap construction is B, which is a lace front wig. The density on this hair is 200, and it is very full. The lace color is tinted, transparent Swiss lace, light brown. So this is from RPG Show. I have worked with them so many times, like especially at the beginning of me trying wigs out and stuff. So this is the box. I already have it open. So this is the front of the box. It's a really nice box. And then on the inside, you do get your wig inside of this little bag. So super cute to store your wig in whenever you're not wearing it. Also inside of here, you do get a flyaway tamer. I already had one because my first wig is their sister company, so I just used the one that I already had open. I didn't want to open the new one, so you will see me use it in the video. You also get wig caps, which are the nude color, which is great because I can always use those for whenever I want to wear them, because I don't always use a cap. Also in here you get the Bertie Oil Deep Conditioner for wigs. This product, I believe I have this in the full size. I'm not sure if this is the same exact brand, but if so, this conditioner is really bomb. I like it on my natural hair as well, but don't let me lie, I'm not sure if this is what it is for sure. It did send me 2 samples of that, so that's great. It says that it is for wigs and weaves, but any deep conditioner you can use on your natural hair if you like it for your hair or for your wig. So this is just like their little RPG Show magazine that shows you a lot of different styles that they offer, and different techniques and things like that that you can do to help with applying your wig and getting your lace to look natural and all that type of stuff. So this is the wig. I feel like with their wigs, the lace is already great. Like, it's not really a lot you have to do to it. With this hair, I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I started off with the side part, and then I was like, I never did a long bob with the middle part, so let me just try it. Plus I didn't glue this wig down, so I did like the glueless method again. And I feel like the glueless method definitely works the best for middle parts because it's easier to disguise that way. But I think it actually looks fun and cute in a middle part, because I haven't tried this with a bob that is this long. And really, some people may not really consider it a bob. They may just consider it shoulder length hair. So, you know, to me it's like a long bob though. But this is the hair. Let me show you the back. For these messy curls, I just used a larger flat iron instead of like the regular 1 inch. I think this one is like a 1.5. So yeah, let's jump into the video. Hey y'all, so I am back, and this is going to be a video on this hair, not the hair that I'm wearing. This hair will be on my channel of course, but this is the wig that we're going to be doing. I did kind of already put her on the mannequin and kind of curl her, just because the hair is really full, so I didn't want it to take a super long time styling the hair on camera. I don't even know if y'all can really tell, but I just did like some really big flat iron curls in the hair using my larger flat iron. So I'm gonna put it on my head and then we will continue to style it and everything, because of course it's gonna look different. Okay, I did kind of style this wig on the mannequin like I said, and I also parted it on the mannequin. Usually I do prefer to put the wig on my head and part it, so that way I know that the part is really just how I want it. But I didn't do that, so I'm just putting it on to see how everything looks. And this is kind of like the style that they had on the picture, like a side part with like some voluminous type curls. So I wanted to kind of recreate that look. I couldn't keep the look that the wig came with because I did have to bleach the knots. So I wish that the knots would have came bleached, so that way I could have just kind of went straight in with the wig. But I did bleach the knots, so I'm just gonna kind of comb through it and see how the hair is looking with the curls that I put in it, like if I like them or what else I want to do to it or whatever. I never really used that larger flat iron to do curls, so I didn't really know how this was gonna turn out. I didn't cut any layers into the hair either because I just was trying to basically curl it and see what we could come up with. I think that it actually looks really pretty. I will probably curl this a little bit more up at the top just to give it more volume, but I think it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna take it off and cut the lace off, and then we will apply the wig down and everything and style it. So yeah. Okay, so now that I'm doing this hair, I'm realizing that it's very similar to another wig that I just done. Similar. So I'm just going to change it up and do a middle part instead this time, because with the previous wig I just did a side part and it was kind of like the same type of style, and I think it looks pretty in a middle part. So let's do that. We're gonna have to curl this going the opposite direction, but I need to let my hot comb heat up. So in the meantime, I'll just go ahead and start curling this hair the opposite direction. So it look crazy as hell right now, I know. It look like so crazy. Y'all can see that this helps to lay it down. Take this. I feel like it's looking better already. We just need to perfect our curls. I really just wanted to make sure that one side was not longer than the other. It feels like this side is, but I feel like it's probably just because I need to curl it. But this wig is really good as far as the lace. The lace color matches really nicely for my skin tone. I'm going to take sections of the hair and curl it backwards, especially since we had curled this the other way previously. We need to really make sure. I cut it a little. Just a little bit of face framing layers, nothing too major. The area look really nice. We're gonna do some baby hairs. I feel like it looks better in the middle parts. I don't know, I never really tried like a long bob with a middle part, so we just gonna go with it for today. I'm gonna use some gel and an edge brush to lay down the baby hairs. And with this wig, I didn't pluck it. I don't think I did, because I did kind of over bleach it a bit. So I did go in and have to recolor like a spot because it was really blonde. I feel like the roots are still a little off, but you can't tell as much with the way that it is. Tell me that scalp don't look real natural. Even though I kind of messed it up, it still looks good. I don't know what's going on with the hair. One side looks better than the other, but I think this is the style that I'm gonna go with for now in this hair. I think it looks more mature, but yeah, I think it's cute with the middle part with the long bob. I never did this, so it's new to me. Maybe that's why it's like, I don't know if I like this, but it's so different.
J